Okay, so hello everyone. Uploading this video after very long time. I think it's been more than 2 3 days, and after this, I'm uploading the video. Okay, so let's start with the question. The question is number of substrings with only ones. Given a binary string S, binary string means a string containing only 0 and 1. Return the number of substrings with all characters ones. Since the answer may be too large, return it with modulo 10 to the power 9 plus 7. Okay, so if you see here, there is an example of this. We have to return the number of substrings which can we obtain by the given string that contains only ones in it, right? So if you see this, okay, if you see the string, it is string like 0 1 1 0 triple 1, right? So here, if you see the string, see, okay, if we see the string, if I want to find out just the substring which contains only one, then it can be 1 1 and 1 1 1, right? These two. Okay. Now see, from this substring, okay, from this substring, how many substring can be taken out with a character containing only one, right? So very simple, it could be one, the first one, right? The first one, the second one, and the total one, which is 1 1, right? Similarly here, if you see, it can be one, 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 the first one and the last one, right? So here if you see, and okay, and the third one, this 1 2 3. See, so from this substring, we can obtain this 1 2 3. Okay, number of substring is equals to 3, right? And from this substring, we can obtain 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 substring. Okay. If we take another example, let's suppose I'm taking example of 1 1 1 1 4 times 1. Here if you see, it can be 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1. How? See, the first one, then the second one, and the third one and fourth one. Similarly, if we taking I am taking 2 1, then it can be 1 2, this one 2, then this one 2, then sorry, this one 1. Okay, so this one. If I'm taking 3 1, 3 times 1, it can be 1 2 3 this one, and 1 2 3 this one. Okay, and the last one, fourth one. Okay, so here the count is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? See, 10. So if you observe the counting, if we observe some counting, we can obtain a relation. See, if the count of 1 in a substring is 2, then the answer is 3. How? Because it is 1 plus 1 plus, sorry, 1 plus 1 and plus 1, which is 3, right? So 2 times 1 and then 1. Similarly, here, if the count of 1 is 3 in the substring, the substrings we can obtain is single one 3 times, double one 2 times, and triple one only 1 time. Similarly, if the count is 4, then we can obtain single one 4 times, then double one 3 times, triple one 2 times, and 4 times 1 is 1 time. So here is the relation I'm doing. See, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, basically 1 plus 2 3. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3. Right. Let's see, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and plus 4. Right. We are taking sum of n natural number, I guess, right? Basically, if any string, any string is containing consecutive, okay, I'm talking about consecutives, okay, consecutive one n times, okay, sorry for this, guys, just a second, okay, then the number of substring will be n into in bracket n plus 1 by 2, right? The sum of n natural numbers, okay. So our task will be in this question, our task will be to find number of consecutive ones, okay, number of substrings which contains consecutive ones, okay. So let's do the question here, okay. So I will. Uh, okay, I'm start writing code here. So I will write here to find consecutive string. We will write first. We'll start a length with one. Okay, then I will write for int I is equals to, just a second, I'm fixing my keyboard. Okay, I is equals to 0, I less than s dot length, I plus plus. Here we will write if I is equals to 1. See, if I is equals to 1. Okay, or I will write if I is equals to 1 and I is equals to I minus 1. Okay, not I. Sorry for this, guys. I will write s of I is equals to 1 and s of I. Okay, s of I equals to s of I minus 1. See this. If it is true, then we will write length plus plus. Okay, understood? And if not, else. If the I is not equals to uh, I is not equals to I minus 1 or I is not equals to 1, then we will simply see the length is obviously 1, right? But see, for this, just a second, but by this we can lose some of our answer. Okay, let me do something. If I is equals to 1, I will then start. Okay. Let's write like this. If s of I equals to 1, okay, if it is true, then we will initialize the length with 1, right? Length with 1. Okay. And now I will write if I will just here I will give 0. Okay. Now if just a second. Yeah. Okay. If I is equals to 1, it will start with 1. But further, okay. Before this, I will write if s of I is equals to 1 and and s of I minus 1 is equals to also 1. Okay. Then we will write here I will write as if. Okay, here I will write what here I will write here I will write length plus plus. Okay, and here I will start with else if I is not equals to 1, that it means we have the length, we have the count of length, right? From here we have the count of length, basically the size, the substring containing number of ones, right? The size of substring contain length of substring containing only one. Now here I will initiate a count. Int count equals to 0, and we will simply write count plus equals to, right? I will write count is equals to count plus n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, this and not L. Control D. I will write here len. Okay, len is on and write len is equals to. We will reset the len here. Okay. Now, if the last index is also 1, it means that if the last index is also 1, it means that we have to do this one more time, right? I will write here Control C and Control. Okay, now we get the count, and now we will return simply the count. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see what. Okay, okay. We should start this with. Mm, just a second. Just a second. Okay, we should also write that if I is not equals to 0. Okay, or if I is greater than 0. Okay, we forgot this edge test case. Okay, see, we can try the answer, right? Now, if we submit the code, we will get an error. We will get a test case not passed. Which test case? This type of test case in which the count of one is greater than the int. Now, for this, we are given the uh, information that we have to return it with modulo this, right? So I will write int m is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Now after this I will write count percentage m. See, count percentage m. Okay. Then length into this. Okay. This one. Okay. This one percentage m, and the whole answer percentage m. Okay. Okay. Percentage m. Okay. And again we'll copy this and replace with this. Okay. Now see, let's use it that test case to run. Sorry, I'm having a cold. Again, some error. Okay, I guess it is problem in this with its length, right? So we will change its length also. Okay, length percentage m. Okay, and this length percentage m. Okay, now see, I guess now it should work. Hmm. Okay, 8 into 0. Okay, okay. This also will not work because this we are multiplying this, right? We are multiplying this with this. So again, we have to take percentage m, or you can write this in long, but okay, let take it in percentage m only. Okay, so we are multiplying this with this, right? Okay, okay, okay. We are multiplying this with this, and we're not taking any percentage here, right? So I will take percentage this also. Okay, yeah, percentage m, and we'll copy this with this. Okay, sorry. Control C and Control V. Now let's see. Uh, Again, I think we're doing a mistake. Okay, let's write here long. Now, so let's see what happens. Again, okay, right. Okay, I will write again. Okay, so count will be is equals to, first of all, I will write count percentage m, right? Plus len, right? We have to play with len, right? So len percentage m. Okay, this is len. Okay, then we'll multiply this with len percentage m plus 1, and this also percentage m, right? Percentage m. Okay, then we will divide by 2. We will divide this uh percentage m, and now we will divide this by 2, and we'll take again percentage m of whole this. Okay, this percentage m. Okay, now I think it should work. Let's see. Let's see if it's working or not. Uh, uh, What the mistake I'm doing here? I don't know. Hmm. It's asking you this. Okay, okay, okay. I think we should take a long. I guess this is the mistake here. We should take this long. Okay, okay. And here I will also write. I will write long, and long. Okay. Now see. Okay, now it's working. Okay, so we'll write here. Okay, so it's working now. We'll submit here and see what happens next. If any error comes, we will sort. Okay, so it's submitted. So hope you all guys understood how to do this question. Okay, it was simply a mathematical question, not a string based question. Okay, and the mathematical approach was to calculate the number of substrings containing one by the use of this formula and into n plus one. Okay, and to find how to apply, basically to think the approach of this, you have to see the test cases. See, okay, see. Yes, see here. If I approach the solution by saying this test case. Here the number of one is six, right? And the answer is 21. This could be only possible if 6 into 7 by 2 is done here. Understood? So I hope you understood this question. And now let's end this video. Okay. So please, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please do consider subscribing, and you can, if you like the video, then hit the like button. And if you're having any suggestion for me, please suggest. Feel free to suggest in this comment section of this video. Okay. Thank you.